I finally tried making a viral cucumber stew and the outcome was very interesting. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to this channel. Click on the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get right into the video. I'll season my already washed chicken with curry powder, turmeric, onion powder, white pepper, ginger garlic, curry rosemary, some onion, salt and seasoning cube to taste. Yeah, I have to spice up my chicken today because I don't know what to expect. I want to make sure my chicken stock tastes nice and delicious. So I'll stay and cover this to simmer for about 3 minutes. Then I'll get right into preparing our stew base. For this, I'll be using one red bell pepper, onions, Scotch bonnet, pepper, and some chili pepper. I will wash this nicely and remove all the seeds. Then I'll chop it into little sizes and put them right into the blender, just like this. Then I'll blend it until it's smooth and I'll set it aside. So it's about 3 minutes. I'll check on the chicken that is on the fire. As you can see, it has released its juice. So it's time to add up the water to complete the cooking process. So for the cucumber stew, we'll be using some tomato paste. And as usual, I love using this brand. So I have to get our tomato paste ready. I have to bring it out from the container and set it aside. So right now the chicken is ready. I'll quickly fry the chicken on both sides and set it aside. And now the star of the dish, which is our cucumber. I'm going to wash it up very well. As you can see, I'll chop it into little sizes. This cucumber, I'm not removing the back and I'm not taking off the seeds because everything is dry. That's the special I have. So I'm going to blend this nicely until it becomes smooth. So you can do well to remove the back of your cucumber if your cucumber tastes bitter. And for this one, I'll use it like this for this recipe. So at this point, I'll pour it into my filter and I'll keep stirring to take away the liquid content until I get a paste like this. Yes, so I'll set this aside and I'll start up my stew. I'll be using the oil from the fried chicken. Then I'll add my onion, curry powder, turmeric, white pepper, onion powder. This way I'm building up the flavors in my oil before I add in my tomato paste. So it's time to add my tomato paste into the fire. I'll add it, then I'll stir for about 5 minutes. I'll do this on low heat until the tomatoes is well fried. One thing I always tell my subscribers is always have patience whenever you're frying your tomato paste. You don't have to leave it unattended because it's going to get burnt. So just stick around, keep stirring from time to time until you're done with this process. Yeah, at this point, the tomatoes is well fried. I'll stir it, then I'll introduce the blended peppers. So I've just added the blended peppers into the tomato paste. I'll stir it again for about 1 minute. Then the next thing to add is the blended cucumber paste. Yeah, I'm adding the cucumber paste right now. I'll do this, then I'll stir and mix it properly. Don't worry, at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you if the stew was delicious or not. I'm going to give you a very honest review. If you can observe, you'll notice that the texture of the stew is beginning to change as though we are using fresh tomatoes, but that's not it. I'll add my my chicken stock. I'll add the chicken stock. I'll stir it very well. Then add some more water. Yeah, need some water. I'll top it up with water, stir and cover this to steamer for about 2 minutes. So I'll put in my chicken. As you can see, I'm using few chickens for this recipe because I don't know what to expect. So let's see how it turns out. I'll add my seasoning cube, then I'll cover and allow this to cook. Allow this to cook for about 2 minutes and your cucumber stew is ready. As you can see, this looks so delicious and yummy. Not just look, it tastes so delicious, I must say. But if you want to make this recipe, kindly remove the back of your cucumber, the green back of the cucumber, because mine had a little bitter taste. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, click on the bell icon so you always be notified when I upload a new video. I'll see you around. Bye.